Why choose factory authorized parts? Some might argue that there's no real difference between factory authorized parts and aftermarket parts. But actually, there are several important differences. Factory authorized parts are exact drop-in replacements, which makes them easy to install. And as you'll see in this demonstration, that ease of installation means you can save time, move on to the next job, and make more money. Factory authorized parts meet exact design life testing for maximum reliability and durability, meaning our quality is unparalleled. And they meet exact design life specifications for optimum system performance. Then there's system ratings. Factory authorized parts maintain agency certifications and safety standards, and they preserve the original equipment warranty. Use an aftermarket part and you could void your customer's system warranty. Plus, factory authorized parts come with their own 2-year warranty. Explaining that warranty to the customer is one thing our tech could be doing now that he's done installing the factory authorized parts motor. He could also be recommending a product for an add-on sale or moving on to the next job. Meanwhile, the aftermarket installation, still going. We all know that time is money, and when you use factory authorized parts from replacement components, you'll get more of both. And aftermarket parts? Well, that's time you just can't get back. So choose all the benefits of factory authorized parts.